turmeric ice cubes can potentially help improve skin health and achieve a glowing complexion due to turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Here's a simple method to make turmeric ice cubes for this purpose. Ingredients and supplies: turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root grated, water, ice cube tray, small saucepan, whisk or spoon, optional, honey or yogurt for added skin benefits. Prepare the turmeric mixture. If using fresh turmeric root, peel and finely grate it. If using turmeric powder, measure out the desired amount. In a small saucepan, add the grated turmeric or turmeric powder to water. Use a ratio of about 1-2 teaspoons of turmeric for every cup of water. If you like, you can add a small amount of honey or yogurt to the mixture for added skin benefits. These ingredients can moisturize and soothe the skin. Heat and simmer. Gently heat the mixture over low to medium heat, stirring continuously to ensure the turmeric is well mixed. Let the mixture simmer for about 7-10 minutes. This helps infuse the beneficial properties of turmeric into the water. Cool the mixture. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the turmeric mixture cool to room temperature. Pour into ice cube tray. Pour the cooled turmeric mixture into an ice cube tray, filling each compartment about halfway or as desired. Freeze. Place the ice cube tray in the freezer and allow the turmeric mixture to freeze completely, which usually takes a few hours. Use for glowing skin. Once the turmeric ice cubes are fully frozen, pop them out of the tray and store them in a sealed container or freezer bag. Use these turmeric ice cube as a refreshing and skin-enhancing treatment. Rub a turmeric cube gently on your face to soothe and brighten your skin. Remember to use turmeric ice cubes in moderation, as excessive application can cause staining on the skin due to turmeric's natural yellow color. Always do a patch test before using on your face to ensure there are no adverse reactions.